People always say big things come in small packages. What I got before you right here today is a multifunctional charging dock for the Nintendo Switch. So I'm just going to do an unboxing review of this thing and let's see what we're working with right here. On front of the box, it tells you it got a multi-angle adjustment and easy carrying, so you can fit it in your pocket nice and easy without any issue. You got heat dissipation and you got anti-slip. On the back of the box, it gives you a picture of the dock, and this right here got multi-angle, as you say, and you got a Type-C port. You got a switch button so you can switch from TV mode to desktop mode. You got a Type-C power port. You got one USB 3.0 port, which is the A, and one HDMI port, which is 2.0, and you got ventilation holes, which is pretty dope. So let's just open it up and see what it looks like and give it a test. I love Nintendo Switch so much, and ever since I got my first Nintendo Switch, thanks to Verizon, I've been geeking about it with so many accessories and gaming. And I like the concept of this one. You see, you got the blue and red, just like with my Nintendo Switch right here that I have. The color scheme match perfectly. That is dope. So you can see this is very, very small. Let's put it beside the original dock for the Nintendo Switch. So it can hold, so this is like two and a half this dock is compared to the size of one Nintendo Switch dock. Pretty simple. And just like the original Nintendo Switch dock, you got this thing in the back right here. It tells you where the things are. This one is pretty much simple. You just got the heat vents right here. If you look carefully, you could see a little fan in between that pushes out the heat. That's pretty dope. On both sides of this dock, you got these four stoppers right here, and for anti-slipping. I like that very much. And you can see back here, nice simple HDMI 3.1 USB-A and lightning for charging. And this is what right here you're going to hit to switch from TV mode to dock mode. And I think this is pretty cool, very simple. Let's see, to open up this bad boy here, you got the slot. You just got to pull it, slide it around, and boom, that's nice and neat. So simple, just slide your Nintendo Switch on it, boom. That is neat. So spin it around. This is nice. This is nice comparing to the original dock. Ain't nothing wrong with the original dock, but this just looks cleaner. And this one right here, you can use it. If you have. It's not only for the Nintendo Switch. I think if you have devices like phone that have USB Type-C, let me just put it on here. See, my iPhone will click on it. Yeah. And this dock right here, they said with HDMI port on the back, it supports 4K at 60 Hertz. But we already know the Nintendo Switch only supports 1080p. But if you have devices that support Type-C display out mode, let me repeat that again. If you have a device that supports Type-C display out mode, you connect this to your TV or your monitor, you can work it because you got a Type-C. Now, you can use different phones, but there's not much phones that have a display Type-C port mode, so that won't make much of a difference. So let's just get to the point of the video right here. So you can connect this. If it's up 4K, good. But we already know the Nintendo Switch is only 1080p, only support 1080p. But I like the way it's so simple. You can do like this, boom. Take off your Joy-Cons if you want. Look even cleaner. I'd rather have this than to have this. Just look chunky. I don't like that, just so chunky. And it looks dope when you put it like to your TV. When you have friends over, it just looks very, very neat. So what I'm going to do real quick, I'm just going to connect a HDMI cable and see what it looks like on my television set. This product does not come with a power adapter, so you're going to have to use the original one that comes with the Nintendo Switch or another one, long as it's over 65 watts. And this button right here, like I said, you're going to hit it to switch from desktop mode to TV mode, whatever mode it is. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to connect my HDMI cord, boom, like this, and the power cord. Boom. So you see a little blue light, that means you got juice. What's left for me to do? You just slap my Nintendo Switch on this bad boy like this and just lay it down. And boom. It doesn't take it no time to pop up. Let me just zoom out a little bit more. And that thing is clean. I like that very much. So let me just get my Joy-Cons to show you. This thing moves pretty well. I really don't like the Joy-Cons that much anymore. But yep, it works perfectly fine. And what I'm gonna do, let me show you real quick. If you want it back on desktop mode, all you gotta do is go to the back, press the button one time. Back in desktop mode. It's very instant. This thing is very fast. Put it back in TV mode, press the button. Boom, back in TV mode. And it works perfectly fine. So, like I said, this device is very small and I like it very much. It's very practical. Let's get this off real quick. Oh, I also forgot. Let me go ahead and connect my iPhone on it and see if it will work. So go ahead and do this real quick. Put my iPhone into this bad boy here. Let's see what happens. It's charging. Boom, just like that. That is so dope. So you can connect your devices. Long as your device have a USB Type-C, any device that have USB Type-C that supports display out mode, you're good to go. This is pretty cool. Let me see if I can play in the video. I know a lot of video is going to be copyright. Let's just go ahead and hit YouTube. See what we got here. Aha. Okay. Let's get this out of the way. Let's just click this and see what happens.
Trip is coming soon. Download YesIM app. Don't overpay for
Yep,
roaming
it works
while
just
using
fine.
internet. Install an easy-to-use eSIM from YesIM app. Virtual SIM card.
Yeah, that works perfectly fine. And before I end this video, I just want to show you that I got it connected to my gaming monitor and it works perfectly fine. Same thing like I tell you in the back. Hit the button, desktop mode, and the beautiful thing about it is it's charging your device while you're using it. That's the purpose for the USB Type-C port in the back. Press it again to go onto TV mode. It takes a few seconds and boom, you're back again. And I just want to show you again, I'm just so fascinated about this thing. It's so very simple and very practical. Boom, connect your phone. As long as your phone got on DP alt mode, you can do whatever you want with this. Even if you got like a laptop or a tablet, boom, you're good to go. You can't go wrong with this device right here. The multifunctional charging dock for Nintendo Switch, and also any device that have a USB Type-C port that support DP alt mode. Boom, easy, foldable. When you're done with it, put it in a pocket and take it to your homeboy crib and you guys can game or do whatever you want. That's all I got for you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next video because I got more accessories coming. I just love this device. Thanks for tuning in.